Hello everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are going to explore a simple but powerful command in Linux called test. This command helps you check conditions like whether a file exists or if a string is empty, and it's very useful in writing a script. Let's get started. The basic structure of the test command is test followed by expression, but there are shorter way to write it with square bracket. Both do the same thing. Now let's see the common way to use test with some real example. Imagine you are creating a script to back up your files. Before saving, you want to make sure that the backup folder exists. If it does not, the script will create it. So let's see the script. Check directory.sh. This is the script. -d /backup checks if /backup is a directory. If the folder exists, we continue. If not, the script creates it. So let's remove the directory first. I have removed the directory. Let's verify. So I have removed the directory. Now let's run this script. So here you can see I have deleted the backups folder and then I have run the script. The expected output is backup folder is missing, creating now. So first it checks if the backup folder is not available. It will create with mkdir command space /backup. So now you can check ls-ld backup. You can see the folder is been created. Once again, if you run the script, it will show backup folder is ready. Earlier it was showing backup folder is missing, creating now. And once the backup folder is available, we get the output backup folder is ready. This is the condition, test condition. So let's see the another scenario where a developer wants to check if a configuration file is available before running a program. So let's see the script file.sh. This is the script. We are checking this file etc app conf.yaml. Here -f space $config file checks if the file exists and is a regular file like a text or a configuration file. If it's missing, the script stops. Let me remove the file first. This is the file. Let's remove this file. Say yes. Now check. There is no any file or directory. Now run the script. Check _file. This is the script. The expected output is configuration file is missing. Please check. So to fix this, what we can do, we can create the file as this was missing. Now check once again. The file is available. Now rerun the script. Here you can see configuration file found, starting the application. Let's see the another scenario where we will be checking the file is executable or not. Assume a system administrator need to run a script but wants to check if it has a correct permission first. So let's see the script check _executable. This will check. Here is the file. Here is a script deploy.sh. If it has the permission, execute permission, the script will execute successfully. If not, it will throw an error like please check the permission. -x flag checks if the file is executable, and this prevents the running a script that does not have a proper permission. So let's see if we have this file. We have this file and it also has the execute permission. Now run the script. You can see script is ready to run. If it is not having a execute permission, so as we saw, it has execute permission. So to test, what I will do, I will remove the permission of this executable file, check the permission and rerun the script. You will get script cannot run, please check the permission. And to fix this, what I will do, I can provide the permission chmod plus x and provide the permission, check the execute permission for the deploy.sh. Now rerun the script. Script is ready to run. Let's see the another scenario where we will be checking if the string is empty. A user is asked to enter a username, but we need to ensure it's not empty. For that, we will use text condition. Check the script. This is the script. -z flag is used along with $username. Check if the username is empty. If it is, the script stops. If it is not, the script welcome the user. So let's run the script. And for now, I will enter without typing anything. Username cannot be empty. So let's rerun the script once again, and I will provide a username John. You will get a output welcome John. This is how we check the condition if a username is empty using -z flag. Now let's see how to compare two numbers. A script asks the user to enter two numbers and compares them. So this is the script. Compare number. This is the script. Here you can see -gt is used to check if the first number is greater than the second. You can also use -lt lesser than for less than and -eq for equality. Run the script. Here I will enter 10 and I will give 5. So 10 is greater than 5. You will get this output. Let's rerun. If I give 3 and then 7, you get 3 is smaller than 7. So we can give another input like what I will do, I will give 4 as a first number and the second number is also 4. Both numbers are equal. You will get this kind of output. So let's see how to combine the condition. A script needs to check if the two conditions are true. For example, if a file is both readable and writable, both condition we can check in a one script using test flags. Example, check read write.sh. Here you can see we are using -r, -a and -w flag. So -a means and. We use it to check if both conditions are true, and you can also use -o for or if you want either condition to be true. So let's run this script. File is not both readable and writable. Let's check the file. File is not created. So let me create the file and rerun the script. File is both readable and writable. because it has the permission. Let's check. It has a read and write both permission. Assume if I want to, let me remove this read and write. I will remove from the test file. I have removed read and write permission for the test file. Now check the permission. So everything is removed. There is no any permission, as you can see on the terminal. Let's rerun this script. File is both readable and writable. Hmm. File is both readable and writable. Let me check the permission once again. It is not having any permission. As we are running with a root can override the permission in some case. So let's test with other user. Let me run with a non-root user. Run the script. Here we received exact output as we have not done any changes in the script. Script is the same thing. Let's see the permission. There is no any permission. This is what we are expected the output. So the issue was root user bypasses the permission leading to incorrect result. So to fix that, I have switched to a normal user and rerun the script. The script correctly detects the read and write permission now. So that's it for this video. We have covered the most important test command flags in Linux by showing both failure and success scenario. Now you can know how to check if file exists, compare the string and numbers, and also combine the condition to make decision in your script. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching.